Hello, this is my web presence evaluation of the Foreman Elementary School Library website. Amy Kincaid is the librarian and hosts this site on EduBlogs. There are 5 major roles of a 21st century school librarian. They are defined in empowering learners as leader, instructional partner, information specialist, teacher, and program administrator. Kincaid shows mastery of all 5 roles on the Foreman Elementary School site. As stated in Empowering Learners, to fulfill the role of leader, the school librarian must lead the way in building 21st century skills throughout the school environment. By clicking on Professional Development, a subtopic under the Information tab on the top toolbar, you can see Kincaid's leadership in presenting professional development sessions on utilizing technology tools in the library and in the homeroom classroom, which builds teachers and students 21st century library skills. In regards to librarians as instructional partners, Empowering Learners states the school librarian works with members of the school community to develop the policies, practices, and curricula to guide student learning. Kincaid shows her work collaborating with other teachers under the Lessons tab. A separate subheading featuring collaborative lessons is also provided. There are lessons on media literacy, second grade plant adaptations, third grade math vocabulary, and some lessons utilizing QR codes, all of which highlight Kincaid's collaboration with classroom teachers in the building. Empowering Learners also says, in reference to the next role, as an information specialist, the school librarian uses technology tools to supplement school resources, assist in the creation of engaging learning tasks, connect the school with the global learning community, communicate with the students and classroom teachers at any time, and provide 24/7 access to library services. Kincaid provides technology tools under the Technology tab, offering digital kits on the holidays, as well as some that are curriculum focused. She also offers examples and recommendations of other tech tools. These kits provide Web 2.0 examples that coincide with building curriculum as well as take advantage of new technologies. Empowering Learners states a school librarian stays abreast of both national trends of popular reading material and student interests within the individual school community when outlining the role of the school librarian as teacher. The Foreman Elementary School Library website shows many examples of students working with new devices, experimenting with maker spaces, interacting with new books under the monthly lessons featured under the Lessons tab along the top toolbar. This demonstrates Kincaid's work in the role of teacher as a school librarian. Finally, the librarian must also be a program administrator. According to Empowering Learners, the school librarian ensures that all members of the learning community have access to resources that meet a variety of needs and interests. In reflections of this role, Kincaid provides a link to the school library catalog, and directions on how to request a book, and how to search for a book. There are several stakeholders whose interests are being met by the Foreman Elementary School Library website. Among these stakeholders are teachers and parents. According to Thread, Griggs, and Lilly, school librarians are ideally situated and usually centrally located to coach teachers in a collaborative environment. Not only does Kincaid provide tech tools and collaborative lessons, as previously shared, to meet teacher needs, she also includes, under the Information tab, links to professional development sessions she has done, highlighting her collaboration with classroom teachers under About Me. By linking her presentations on the site, she helps teacher stakeholders with their lessons. Another stakeholder whose interests are being met on the website is that of families of students at Foreman Elementary School. Doug Johnson states, "Take the library program to the parents and community and establish a formal and regular means of home-to-school communication. By providing a blog roll of current library happenings as the homepage of the site, families are kept informed of library happenings and lessons by just going to the site." Kincaid's greatest strength on the website is demonstrating how she's meeting the responsibilities of a 21st century school librarian. Bogle shares the school librarian responsibilities in her article comparing them to the ALA core competencies, including design student-centered learning experiences, support multiple paths to understanding for individual learning styles, and cultivate creative and critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making. Kincaid shows ample evidence of meeting these responsibilities. For designing student-centered learning experiences, these lessons are featured in the blog roll as well as under the Lessons tab. She supports multiple paths to understanding for individual learning styles under Tutoring, also found under the Lessons tab. Kincaid also cultivates creative and critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making with links provided under the Fun tab. As well as in several other locations. Among the topics we have covered this semester, I found no examples of evidence-based practices on the Foreman Elementary School Library website. According to Todd, evidence-based school librarianship uses research-derived evidence to shape and direct what we do. It is unclear what is shaping Kincaid's decisions of what to use, what curriculum to collaborate with, what activities to do with students. If she incorporated evidence-based practices into her library program design, it would be easier to advocate for her program with factual data and may inspire her to even greater heights of school librarianship. This was the main area for growth that I noted on the website. This completes my web presence evaluation of the Foreman Elementary School Library website.